In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email template's name in Insightly. This is a quick but really useful skill, especially if you're managing a lot of templates and want to keep everything organized and easy to find. Maybe your process has changed, your campaign has a new name, or you simply want your templates to be clearer for your team. Renaming them properly inside Insightly will save you a lot of time later. First, start by opening your Insightly email templates. Go ahead and log in to your Insightly account the way you normally do, then navigate to the section where your email templates are stored. This is usually under the email or templates area in your settings or marketing tools, depending on how your Insightly layout is configured. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the full list of templates available. Once you're on the email templates page, look through the list and find the template you want to rename. When you see it, click directly on the name of that template. This will open up the template details screen, where you can see things like the subject line, the body of the email, and other settings tied to that template. Now, in the top right corner of this template page, look for the Actions button. This is typically a button or drop-down that groups different options you can perform on the template. Click on the Actions button to reveal the available actions. From the menu that appears, select Edit Email Template. This will switch the template into edit mode, letting you make changes to its settings and content. You don't need to worry yet about editing the subject or body unless you want to. For now, we're just focusing on the name. In the Edit view, find the field labeled Template Name. This is the name that appears in your list of templates and is what you and your team see when choosing which one to use. Click into that field, delete the old name if needed, and type in the new name you want. Try to choose something clear and descriptive, like including the campaign, audience, or purpose, so it's easy to recognize later. When you're happy with the new name, scroll if necessary and click Save. Insightly will update the template with the new name, and you'll be taken back to the template list or details view. You should now see the updated name in your email templates list, ready to use in your future emails.